Today, we will explore a crucial topic for those planning to marry a U.S. citizen, the Fiancé Visa, also known as the K-1 visa. We will dive into the details of the application process, requirements, and essential tips for a successful K-1 visa approval. Hello everyone, my name is Elena Manilic and I'm an immigration lawyer specializing in family and business immigration in the United States. With years of experience and numerous successful K-visa approvals, I'm here to guide you through everything you need to know about the Fiancé Visa. The K-1 visa is a non-immigrant visa and is designed for foreign nationals who are engaged to U.S. citizens and intend to marry within 90 days of entering the United States. Furthermore, the Fiancé Visa is so popular all over the world that it has even inspired its very own TV show called 90 Day Fiancé. This popular reality TV series follows couples who are navigating the complexities of the K-1 visa process, showcasing the emotional highs and lows, cultural differences, and challenges they face along the way. But let's get back to immigration. The K-1 visa is specifically for individuals who are planning to marry a U.S. citizen and then apply for lawful permanent status. The process of obtaining a K-1 visa can be intricate. Failure to accurately file paperwork or fulfill the required steps could result in significant delays or worse, even a denial of your case. Be careful. If your fiancé uses a different kind of visa or enters as a visitor without a visa to come here so you can marry, there could be serious problems for your fiancé. Attempting to obtain a visa or entering the United States by saying one thing when you intend another may be considered immigration fraud, for which there are serious penalties. Those penalties include restricting a person's ability to obtain immigration benefits, meaning green card, including permanent residence, as well as a possible fine for up to $10,000 and imprisonment for up to 5 years. First, let's begin with the requirements in order to get K-1 visa. Number 1, the petitioner must be a U.S. citizen. Number 2, the couple must intend to marry within 90 days of foreign fiancé entering the United States. Number 3, both partners must be unmarried and provide evidence of this status, such as divorce papers, annulments, or death certificates of former spouses. Number 4, the relationship between the couple must be genuine and valid, requiring proof of meeting in person at least one time within the 2 years preceding the visa application. Next, the U.S. citizen sponsor must meet the income requirements for K-1 visa, with their adjusted gross income on the most recent tax return equaling at least 125% of federal poverty guidelines. Next, the couple must each submit a signed document stating their intention to marry within 90 days of foreign fiancé arriving into the United States, along with additional evidence like venue bookings or wedding invitations. Documents and fees for K-1 visa. So, here's a general list of documents that you're going to need to fill out. Completed form I-129F, petition for alien fiancé, filed by the U.S. citizen. Next, proof of meeting in person within the last 2 years. Next, evidence of a genuine relationship such as photos, communication records, and affidavits from family and friends. Next, medical examination results. Next, police certificates from every country where the fiancé resided for more than 6 months. And the last one, visa application fees and any additional fees for medical examination. Please note and be aware that filing fees for this petition is $675. Interview process for K-1 visa. To process your case, visa officers must be convinced of your relationship. Therefore, once the petition is approved, your foreign fiancé will be required to attend an interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate in their home country. It is important for your foreign fiancé to bring all required documents, including valid passport, 2 recent U.S. visa photographs, Form DS-160 confirmation page and confirmation code, interview schedule letter, approved Form I-129F. Next, criminal background documents, divorce or death certificates in case you had a previous marriage, evidence of the relationship with the U.S. citizen, medical examination, proof of payment of fees. Interviews are usually conducted in a question-answer format. The interview typically lasts 15 to 30 minutes and involves questions about personal backgrounds, details about you and your partner, and the authenticity of your relationship. The officer may inquire about wedding plans, how the couple met, fell in love, and why they decided to get married. Additionally, questions may address any unusual aspects of the relationship, such as age difference, language barriers, previous sponsorships for green card or visas, children from prior relationships, and how they will integrate into the new family unit. These are typical questions that an officer may ask your fiancé. How long have you been together? Include any trips taken and include pictures or social media posts. When, where, and how the engagement took place. How long have you been engaged? Potential locations for the wedding, any future plans, for example, buying a home, starting a family, etc. The key here is to be honest, relaxed, and prepared to discuss these aspects of relationship during the interview. Visa officers are notorious for valuing verbal communication over extensive documentation. Once they are convinced of the authenticity of their relationship, they may not require detailed documents. The focus is on making them believe in the genuineness of your relationship. Once you get your K-1 visa approval, your fiancé can enter the United States to marry within the 90 days permitted from the date of entry. Fiancé status automatically expires after 90 days. It cannot be extended. Your fiancé should leave the United States at the end of the 90 days if you do not marry. If your fiancé does not depart, he or she would violate U.S. immigration law. This could affect future eligibility for U.S. immigration benefits. As soon as you marry, your spouse may apply for permanent residency by filing a Form I-485 application to register permanent residence or adjust status. If you have any questions or need additional guidance, please feel free to drop your questions in the comments or reach out to our office for personalized assistance. Remember, having the right support and knowledge is essential for a successful immigration process. So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content of the U.S. immigration.